How to add effects on Instagram Notes. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add effects on Instagram Notes. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step that you'll need to take is open up your Instagram and swipe left to head over to your DM section where you will be able to see your notes. Now notes actually keep on changing their effects here. So previously they had different effects. If you typed in gold in your note, it would change into gold, but right now that feature is no more there. So Instagram Note keeps on changing their effects here. So the current one, or the one that is going on, is the happy birthday one. So all you have to do is type in happy birthday and then tap on share. After you do that, this cool of a spaghetti, the confetti effect will be on your screen. So if you again, after you posted your note, if you tap on it again, you should get the confetti effect again. And yeah, that is basically how you add your effects on Instagram Notes. Now as the notes keep on changing, the keywords keep on changing, so you will have to be updated on the newer versions of the effects. So yeah, just type that very keyword in your note and you should be able to get the effect. And that is basically how you can add effects on Instagram Notes, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.